Hello. Guess what I got? I got a package from Jellycat. Now this is one that I wanted for a long time, and I've been watching and waiting, and I thought maybe it would come out around Christmas or something, but I happened to look on their website the day it came out, and I had no idea it was coming out, and I got so lucky. So let's see what I got. I got everything in one bag. I got a few extra. I got a few other ones too. Okay. So, where should we start? Let's see, I know what they are. Okay. I'm gonna start with this. I got the storm cloud. I really wanted this for a long time, and I can't see its eyes. I saw this at the local store a couple times, and I wanted it, and I just never got it, and then I'd go back and it wouldn't be there. So I got this storm cloud. It's a sad storm cloud. It's so fluffy. It's so soft. I can't believe how soft it is. So cute. Man. Unusable storm cloud. And that's what we got. It's got his little feet. Really cute. I like how big it is. It's not like super small. So I got that. It's got curly, super soft, silky fur. Very happy with that. I'm just so glad I finally got it. Now, I got this. I got Smudge Bear. So cute. I want to get all the smudges. I don't have all of them, but this one became available, and so I thought, oh, I'll get this one too. So cute, so soft. Love bears. Bears are so cuddly. Really cute. It's got a soft little nose. Their eyes are always so buried in their fur. It's really cute. It just seems like it's bigger than you see in the pictures for some reason. But I know the smudges are all kind of the same size. It's so cute. It's a cutie pie. Little smudge. So cuddly. It's really cute. I really like that one. Now this one is the special one. It is Leola. Leola Bear. It's so cute. Initially, it said they had the large, but I know I was one of the first people able to buy this because I kept refreshing my thing and to see when it was available, and the large one was never available. The medium was the only one that was available, so I thought, oh, I'll get the medium. I'll get the medium. So I got the medium one. I think they sold out in like a half an hour. I'm not kidding. And now it says coming back soon, but it doesn't really say when. So, but at least they're coming back. It's so cute. It's just like Bartholomew Bear, but pink. cute. It's got its little tail. So cute. Really cute. It's so soft. It's just so soft. And there is Leola Bear. She's so pretty pink. So pretty pink girl. I have the medium Bartholomew Bear too. They're like the same size. Really adorable. This one feels softer for some reason. Oh, she's so cute. She's adorable. Oh, now I want to buy a little outfit for her. I found some on Etsy that are kind of cute, little rompers and stuff that are cute. Is she cute? I like it. Very, very cute. So anyway, that's what I got. And my bear. 2 bears and a cloud. I'm very happy with my purchases. They're very cute and very soft. And I'm especially really happy I got one of these because I just think it's so cute. Oh, thanks for watching. TTFN.